Hello, it is good to see you back to my channel. My name is Regina, and today we are going to make fish which is cooked in coconut curry. Now, since we are trying to make it as cheaply as possible, we're not going to be using so many ingredients other than the onions that I'm putting in right now, and I am going to fry them in a bit of cooking oil. I understand cooking oil has been expensive. I know it's been a headache. I know. So you're going to let your onions cook until golden brown. Not until black, but golden brown. There's a certain brown that you require when cooking any kind of curry so that your stew comes out thick and also a bit dark. So I have also gone in with this is coriander, dhania, that I have grinded using my, what's it called now, hiyo kitu ya kugonga. That's what I have done. So now once you've achieved that brown color, like the way I have shown you, like this, now you go in with your tomatoes. Now I've used 2 big tomatoes because my fish is not that big. You let your tomatoes cook, so most preferably you will cover and let it cook for about 5 minutes until the tomatoes become soft. So I've gone in with my turmeric. I've used half a teaspoon, and my favorite spice, which is cumin, I've used 3/4 of a teaspoon. So I'm going to give it a good mix as I wait for my tomatoes to cook properly, because I can clearly see it needs more time. So also don't forget to add salt to your preference. So once your tomatoes have properly cooked, you will add your coconut sauce or cream or coconut milk. Most preferably, I would recommend that you go, if you're in Nairobi or Kenya, you go for coconut milk from Kara. Kara is a good brand. It has the richness of coconut. It's just that I didn't find Kara and I used an alternative, but I would recommend that one for sure. So once you've added your coconut milk, sauce, cream, let it cook. If you think that it's evaporating too fast, you can add some water for about 3 minutes. I'd like you to do the same. Separate some coconut milk in separate in another bowl, not the coconut milk but the sauce that we've just created, so that you can use it later to lay it on top of the fish. Now I'm going to add, or to put my fish in the remaining sauce, like so. And then now I'll go in with the other coconut sauce that we made and lay it on top very well. At this point, my cooking heat is close to low, very low. because I want it to cook slowly so that all these coconut ingredients become part of our stew properly, so that it can taste like fish and also coconut. So I want it to cook slowly. So if you feel like the stew is still a little bit kidogo, you can add a bit of water, but not too much. After about 10 minutes, your fish will be ready to serve. For me, I'm serving with rice. I hope you enjoyed the content. It's simple, it's basic, but it is delicious. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.